1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's my basic. Taka, taka, taka. That's my basic rasgueado. And then this is good because it allows you to go to taka, 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 taka. Then, when we have iambic rhythms like ta 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 ta, I use. So how do I do it? I do like that's called chasquido or golpe, which is basically a hit. No, so I don't want to harm the guitar. So what I do is I play down and I just stop the strings when I do that. So I can play as loud as you want. The guitar is healthy. So you can do. This is for the iambic moment. So you have ta 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 ta. Then you have combinations. The very beautiful thing in this music is that you have very often 3 and 6 together. So, and then if you do, for instance, sometimes it's not clear if it is 3 or 6 because the text is sung in 3, but the rhythm that you see sounds like in 6. So we could call it also joropo, like in South American folklore. So we can do, for instance, was 6. The important thing is that if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that 1, 3, and 5 is always down, 2, 4, and 6 is always up. 1, 2, 3, ta, ta, ta. So if I do 1, 2, 4, 6 is.
Yeah, you have a very good ear on that, so you have step by step.
Okay. Exactly. Or 1, 2, 1, 2, I don't know, 5, 6. 1, 2. I
used to accompany flamenco dancers for 7 years, so it's
so you know that
6 and 12.
So it's the same basic. The basis is that you have taka 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 ta, and for me the thing is that we can improvise in. I never saw this piece, although it's a haka. So let's do it in a very, very banal way, which is not no ornamentation, nothing, just this taka taka taka, right?
Yeah, you have the 6 going all the time, and it's just
6 or 3 depends where you make where you put the accent. So you do taka 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 is 3, but if you do taka 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 and 6.
Yeah, but still the movement is always.
The movement is always the same, exactly. So where do we have the interesting things? Interesting things happen when we start not changing. In my case, that's what I do. Not changing when the one is 4 is down or one is up is is up. Sorry, when is 5 is down. I don't change that, but I change, for instance, that I add all these golpes, all these hits on the instrument. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh.
So you try to put this on the accent.
Whatever I want. Sometimes it's not the accent, but the other way around. So it's like you are a percussionist, but not the basis percussionist, but the tamburan, the pandereta, pandir, no? So if the drum is doing dum 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 dum, then the pandereta is doing improvisations always against. The guitar can do that as well. So it depends if you have a ground basis around you, and you can be improvising in the other way. So just to create some tension. Or if you are the ground, then just in the accents. That's all. You can do the golpe. I'm giving all the information in one pill, so then you can in 6 months you can just how do you make a surgery and see if something is not clear. You just write me and I can explain you again. So and then sorry, you have the golpe going down, which is this, and the golpe going down, which we normally go with the thumb. So is that. Or sometimes just this without even doing that. Depends how noisy you want to be. You can be noisy or you can be just this. Remember? So you don't need to. That would be cheap for the South Americans especially. So when I'm playing with them, they do. Too much accent. So for me, it's a matter of doing it many times and finding your own ways and finding the way you like it best. What else? So we have this, and then we have another way of doing these accents every 3, which means one is down and one is up. It's just with the index, which is something that is the second stage. Instead of going down with the middle and with the thumb, I will do. So ta 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 ta, and then I put the hit on the first and the 4.
So now it's only index.
Only index, yeah. Like this.
Like you use it like a pick.
Exactly, like a pick, but not hard. It's not hard. It's very relaxed. And then there is another way in Colombia, for instance, where they do instead of 1 on the 4th, they do it on the 3 and the 6. They call it por corrido. You have por derecho from the right way, or shifted por corrido, which is the second way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the other one. Sounds the same, but you can slow down the video, you will see. What else? Then we have the ornamentations. Ornamentations that for sure you know it's very similar what you did. You did something like this. Down. This is good for tarantella. So this kind of rhythm that you use here, not rhythm, formula for the right hand, the one they use for tarantella. And works very well. Quick. When you go down, when you go slow,
yeah, it's hard to keep them even.
Exactly, it's very hard, and also it's very soft, and maybe you want. So when I normally, as I said, I do 6, so. Which doesn't mean that I'm doing subdivisions the whole time, but I'm just choosing now up and down. Now I do 3, 4, 4, or whatever. No? You see, this always moves in the same way.
Yeah.
It's like the old turntable. When you put the arm is sounding. When you don't put it, it doesn't sound. No. So it's the same thing. This always moves. Then, if I want to do more basic without subdivisions, then I would do. I improvise normally that, but I would do. Depends where do I want the stress of the bar. Normally, very often in Spanish music is in the second. So ta-cha-ra-ta-cha. So I do down, down, up, down, down, up. What I want to hear at the end of the day. So if I want to hear ya-ra-ra, like for instance we do with the bow, no? So you choose, you want 2 down, 2 up, or 2 down, up, down.